Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about retail sourcing and how you can build a business from scratch for Amazon where you will be generating at least $4,000 to $3,000 a month. So guys, this is pretty simple business and this is something called the trading. Trade is the oldest business in this world where you buy something for the cheap and you flip it for the higher price. Usually, the McDonald's and all these businesses are in the loss, but in the business which I'm talking about is way more profitable than the McDonald's and the gas station and all these ordinary businesses. The reason why this is more profitable is because you have more control and you have less liabilities. Like you don't have to hire a full-time employee, you don't have to have a real estate, you don't have to have a warehouse. You can start this business even from your warehouse. So these are the biggest perk that you are receiving in this business. So I want to share this business with you guys because there's a lot more possibilities and a lot more things to run. Also, there's no limit to the capital. If you go for the laundry business, you have to have a laundry machines, real estate, and employees and all that stuff to manage, right? But when you are looking at this business which I'm talking about is just a flipping. You do not have to have anything at all to start it, right? So how are you gonna start it? You just have to create a seller account on Amazon, which is almost free. There are two plans. One is professional plan where you have to pay upfront. I think 49.99, something like that. You have to pay. And another plan you have to pay for each unit $1. So it's up to you. You can go for a professional plan and you can go for uh, each dollar one product, one order, $1 program. So it's up to you. Then you can sign up for Amazon. Then you can list products. You can just go out to the Target, open seller app, Amazon seller app, scan the product that you find on Target, try to find out product which you can make like profit 20%, 30%, or at least 50%. Before below that, it's not profitable. But believe me, there are like thousands of products that are possible and they are good products, and we have created a sheet for you which is like $50. You can buy it from us. We can give you, we have employees, we have done research which we are using in our business, and we can sell that sheet to you just for the $50. You can buy it from us and then just go to the Target, buy these products, or even you don't have to buy, just scan them and list them. Okay, once you list them, you can sell these products on Amazon. So what is happening is that sometimes Amazon have supply chain problems. Like there are 50 states in US and they cannot maintain the inventory on each 15 states. So you have the opportunity to ship these products to that state where there's a possible shortage. And that's what this business is about, because these global supply chain issues are getting worse, and this is how you guys can make profit of it. So this is my way that you can get benefit of global supply chain issues, and this is how you can make business. This is how you can earn. So subscribe me, like my channel. I am creating these kind of videos so you guys can enjoy. And next video I'm gonna show you how you can find these products. Thumbs up, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.